Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer a CentOS VDS to Rocky Linux using rsync. Full guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your CentOS VDS through SSH. Log in as the root user or a user with sudo privileges. First, ensure that your CentOS system is fully updated. Run the command yum update y to install all available updates. Next, install rsync if it is not already installed. Use the command yum install rsync y to get rsync. Now, prepare your new Rocky Linux server. Log into your Rocky Linux server via SSH. Ensure the Rocky Linux system is also updated. Execute dnf update y to apply any updates. On your CentOS VDS, create a backup directory for the transferred files. Use the command mdir/backup to create this directory. Use rsync to transfer your data from CentOS to Rocky Linux. You'll use the command rsync f/path/to/your/data/user at Rocky Linux IP/destination/path/. Replace /path/to/your/data/ with the actual path to your data. Replace user at Rocky Linux IP with your Rocky Linux server's SSH details. And replace /destination/path/ with the desired directory on Rocky Linux. If your CentOS server has specific configurations or services, back them up as well. You can create configurations in a similar way using rsync. Once the data transfer is complete, check the integrity of the files on your Rocky Linux server. Log into the Rocky Linux server and compare the file sizes. Use the do/path/to/your/data command to confirm the totals. Now, if you are using a database, ensure to transfer that as well. For example, if it's a MySQL database, create a dump first. Use the command miscldump username p database_name backup_file.sql. Then transfer that backup file to the Rocky Linux server using rsync. After confirming that all data is successfully transferred, configure your services. Make any necessary adaptations for differences in configuration files between CentOS and Rocky Linux. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.